So now let's see how we can search and use quotes inside of Polotno Studios. So to search and use quotes, you can go around onto the left hand side and you can see that quotes is an option. And there are different quotes that you can utilize right here for inspiration. If I were to click on this, you can see that the quote directly gets inserted right here. And this is in the form of text, so you can go around and change around the font as you like, and then change around the font size right here, and then work around with it as you like right here, just like this. You can also go around and search for different type of quotes. Let's say, for example, if I were to type in nature, then nature related quotes actually come up right here, as you can see right here. Let me just go around and search out quotes right here related to computer, and let's see, something pops up. And it does, as you can see right here. It says, I took computer science course in college because then it was a thing you learn. You just learn on your own. I never took computer science as a course, as you can see right here, and so forth, as you can see right here. So you can go around over here and search for different quotes as you like. Let's say, for example, let me type in video games and let's see if something pops up. And over here you can see that I studied directing prior to acting, and I have done. So this is not related to gaming right here. So it didn't turn up right here. But let's see what we have right here. So sometimes it comes in here. There's something else, a great game, and you meet a lot of people and so forth. So you can go around and get the closest one, as you can see right here. So that is how you can search and use quotes in your projects in Polotno Studio. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.